Blood, why they cry? Talk to me. You na blood, talk to me.
Bro, I swear, you no go believe wetin happen to me. I swear. Guy, you remember say I tell you say I never knack woman before.
You na virgin na.
So yesterday now, me and Chinedu comot. Him dey with him babe with two of him babe friend. They be girls. So as we comot now, we go one hotel. The hotel get bar, so na the bar we dey. We just dey the vibe. Everything dey go well. We dey drink, we dey talk. From nowhere now, Chinedu just tell him babe say shey him babe know say me I never see woman yansh before. Say I still be virgin. My head wan scatter. From nowhere, one of her friends just talk say shey me I go fit even last 1 minute. Bro, I just dey there. My body cool. I wan get coil. My head scatter, guy. E pain me. E pain me. No tey na, Chinedu just waka comot say him dey come. As him come back na him come with one shima. Say make I follow the shima enter room. I say no yawa. As I follow the shima enter room na, we one package. Oh boy, e be like say na heaven I go. The shima sweet. I swear. I no know say na wetin I dey miss be this.
E sweet you abi? So why you come dey cry? Abi this one na tears of joy?
But bro, no be that one pain me o. Wetin pain me pass be say as I wake up this morning, my gbola don disappear.
You say wetin?
E be like say dem don use me.